3 methods of installing steel tile roof. Brackets by me privately. E. Direct connection method only roof. Fixture加 module. Low cost installation method. 4-point fastening on one module. Modules parallel to the roof. 2. Track construction method. Roof clamp加 rail加 module. Stronger than direct mount methods. If the metal roof is thinner than the case, the method of installing the track can be adapted. Panels parallel to the roof. 3. Triangular bracket. Roof furniture plus tripod加 rail加 module. By using a tripod, can allow panels to be reached on the roof. The specified setting angle. Increase power generation. Even north-facing roofs can be set up with pedestals. The color steel tile bracket mainly uses the aluminum eld bracket system. Aluminum eld profiles are light in weight and beautiful in appearance. Excellent corrosion resistance. Generally used for roof power stations with low bearing requirements. Strong corrosion environment, chemical plant power station, etc. Our company specializes in the production of photovoltaic brackets. Complete specifications can be customized according to drawings. Continuously optimize product design. Since its inception, improving production technology, optimizing production process, make better and more reliable products at the same price. Are you interested in our company's products and services? Looking forward to your online message or call for consultation.